In the previous two videos, we discussed 6 cases of treatment of goodwill at the time of admission of a partner. Now, today we will take some more cases of treatment of goodwill. Case number 7 is A and B are the partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. C is admitted as a partner for 1/5 share. C contributes the following assets towards his capital and his share of goodwill. Buildings rupees 20,000, 80,000, stock 30,000, machinery 50,000, debt is 40,000. On the date of admission of C, goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 1 lakh. A, B and C decide to share future profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. Pass the journal entries on C's admission. Now, in the previous 6 cases, the new partner brought goodwill in cash. जो पिछले 6 केसेस किए थे उसमें गुडविल लेके आ रहा था. अब ये क्या है, इसके अंदर द न्यू पार्टनर ही ब्रिंग्स गुडविल इन काइंड, दैट इज ही इज नॉट गेटिंग गुडविल इन कैश. So first of all calculate his share of capital and goodwill. Now his capital is not given, his share of goodwill is not given. So first of all, the goodwill of the firm is 1 lakh. So in the working notes, goodwill of the firm is 1 lakh. Now what is C share? C share will be 1 lakh into, and his share is 1/5. His share of goodwill is 20,000. Now he brings building, stock, machinery and debtors. So debit what comes in? Building account debit, stock account debit, machinery account debit, debtors account. Rule is debit what comes in. So first entry will be building account debit, buildings account debit, it will be 80,000. Then stock account debit, stock is 30,000. Machinery account debit, machinery is 50,000. And then debtors account debit, debtors 40,000. To C's capital account, to premium for goodwill. Now this is 80 plus 30. 80 plus 30, 110, 110 plus 50, 160, 160 plus 2, 160 plus 42 lakh. So assets worth rupees 2 lakh brought in by C. Now his share of premium is 20,000. It means out of these, if we subtract 20,000, 2 lakh minus 20,000, remaining 1,80,000. This will be the capital of the new partner, being assets brought in by C towards capital and goodwill. His share of goodwill is 20,000, and simple rule is, now total assets worth rupees 2 lakh brought in by new partner. उस 2 लाख में से 20,000 उसकी गुडविल का शेयर है और बाकी जो है उसकी कैपिटल है. नाउ सेकेंड एंट्री विल बी प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट to A's capital account to B's capital account. Now premium is 20,000. and this premium will be distributed in the sacrificing ratio. Now sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. In this question, new ratio is also given, old ratio is there. So for A, it will be old ratio is 3 upon 5 minus new is 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10, 5 by 10. For B, this is 2 by 5 minus 3 upon 10. Now LCM is 10. 10 divided by 5, 2, 2, 3 the 6, minus 10 divided by 10, 1 into 5, 5. This comes to 1 upon 10. Again 10 LCM, 5 to the 2 to the 4 minus 3, this comes to 1 upon 10. So sacrificing ratio of A and B is 1:1. So this will be distributed equally, that is 10,000 will be credited A's capital and 10,000 to B, being premium distributed between A and B in sacrificing ratio 1:1. In the previous 6 cases, the sacrificing ratio was same as old ratio. Now in this case, new ratio is given. Whenever new ratio is given, then we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So this case is entirely different from the previous 6 cases. Here the new partner, he contributes the assets, only assets, towards his share of goodwill and capital. So all the assets debited individually, building, stock, machinery, debtors, to seize capital to premium for goodwill. In the previous cases the entry was cash account debit to seize capital to premium. इस केस में वो कैश की बजाय जो है वो एसेट्स कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है, तो हिज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल इज 20. From this, if we subtract this, the remaining will be his capital, and premium to A to B, and premium will be distributed between the old partners in the sacrificing ratio. This is case number 7. Now case number 8. A and B are the partners sharing profits in the ratio of, suppose, 3:1. C is admitted as a partner for Now C is admitted as a partner for 1/3 share. C brings rupees 40,000 as capital and rupees 4,000 as premium for goodwill. All the partners decide to share future profits between themselves. All the partners decide to share future profits among themselves equally. Generalize. Now, in this case, the new partner brings rupees 40,000 as capital and rupees 4,000 as premium for goodwill. In this case, old ratio is given, new ratio is also given, so we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. First entry is cash account debit to seize capital account to premium for goodwill. So this is total cash brought in by C is 44. 40,000 is the capital and 4,000 is the amount of premium, being capital and premium brought in by C. Now, first of all, we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So working note, sacrificing we know is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. A's old ratio is 3 by 4 and B's old ratio is 1 by 4. Here 3 is to 1. 3 plus 1 4, so 3 upon 4 and 1 by 4. Now all the partners decide to share future profits among themselves equally. Equally means that is in the ratio of 1 is to 1 is to 1. 1, 1, 1. So new ratio will be 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. There are 3 partners, so 1, 1, 1. So LCM comes to 12. 12 divided by 4, 3. 3 into 3, 9. 12 divided by 3, 4. 4 into 1, 4. This is 5 by 12. And this is 12 LCM. 3 minus 4. This is minus 1 by 12. Now in this case, B share is minus 1 by 12. Minus indicates gain to B. मतलब मान लीजिए पहले उसको 10 रुपए मिलते थे, अब उसको 12 रुपए मिल रहे हैं, तो 10 minus 12 comes to minus 2. Minus means he is gaining. So at the time of C's admission, B is also gaining. It means entire loss is to A. जितना भी sacrifice है वो A कर रहा है. So second entry will be premium for goodwill. Premium for goodwill account debit to, it was to A to B. अब देखो इसमें B को गेन हो रहा है तो B को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, सारे पैसे जो हैं वो A को मिल जाएंगे, टू A's कैपिटल अकाउंट. नया पार्टनर जो है वो 4,000 जो है वो प्रीमियम ला रहा है, तो सारे के सारे जो हैं वो 4,000 जो हैं वो मिल जाएंगे A को, क्योंकि A इज द ओनली सेक्रीफाइसिंग पार्टनर. B को भी गेन हो रहा है, बीइंग premium of goodwill credited to A's capital. Now B is gaining. It means C के आने पर B भी गेन कर रहा है, तो A जो है वो C को भी शेयर सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है और कुछ अपना शेयर जो है वो B को दे रहा है. इट मींस he is the gaining partner and A is the sacrificing partner. ये A जो है वो sacrificing partner है, sacrifice कर रहा है. And the rule is gaining partner must compensate the sacrificing partner, and compensation is in the form of goodwill of the firm. Now for this we have to calculate the total goodwill of the firm. Now what is C share? C share is 1 by 3. For 1/3 share, C share of goodwill is rupees 4,000. अगर उसका 1/3 शेयर है तो उसकी गुडविल है 4,000. फॉर 1 शेयर total goodwill of the firm is equal to 4,000 into 3/1. This comes to rupees 12,000. देखिए अगर पूरी फर्म की गुडविल 12,000 है तो अभी उसको बोला 1/3 शेयर, 12,000 का 1/3 4,000 उसका शेयर निकाला, तो रेसिप्रोकल करते हैं. अगर 1/3 शेयर है तो उसका शेयर गुडविल का है 4,000. अगर टोटल शेयर 1 है तो टोटल गुडविल आ गई 12,000. तो B मस्ट कंपनसेट A, तो B विल कंपनसेट A बाय, देखो पूरी फर्म की गुडविल है 12,000 और उसको कितना बेनिफिट हो रहा है 1/12. इट मींस B भी जो है वो A को 1,000 रुपीज ट्रांसफर करेगा, तो इट विल बी बीज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू एज कैपिटल अकाउंट 1000. Being A's capital credited and B's capital debited. Now what is new in this case? जो पिछले हमने 7 केसेस किए थे उसमें किसी में भी नेगेटिव नहीं आ रहा था. Here in this particular case the B's share, B's sacrifice is -1 by 12. Minus means he is gaining. तो entire sacrifice has been made by A. अब अगर हम क्रॉस चेक करें, देखो A को 4000 तो दिए हैं C ने और 1000 जो दिया है वो B ने दिया. टोटल A को मिले हैं 5000. अगर हम चेक करें तो टोटल गुडविल है 12,000. 12,000 को उसके सेक्रीफाइस अगर मल्टीप्लाई करें 5 by 12 से तो दिस कम्स टू 5000. क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हैं कि उसका 5 by 12 सेक्रीफाइस है, टोटल जो गुडविल है फॉर्म की उससे मल्टीप्लाई करो तो दैट विल कम टू 5000. तो अगर माइनस आ जाता है तो माइनस साइन हमने इग्नोर नहीं करना है. इट मीन्स ही इज गेनिंग पार्टनर. तो गेनिंग पार्टनर कंपनसेट द सेक्रीफाइसिंग पार्टनर. एंड जो ए है उसको जब कंपनसेशन मिलेगा तो उसकी कैपिटल बढ़ेगी और बी जब कंपनसेट करेगा तो उसकी कैपिटल कम हो जाएगी. एंड यू कैन रिमेंबर दैट गेनिंग पार्टनर इज ऑलवेज डेबिटेड इन द पार्टनरशिप. दैट इज व्हाई बीज कैपिटल अकाउंट हैज बीन डेबिटेड. एंड वी कैन मर्ज दीज टू एंट्रीज आल्सो. इनको एक भी एंट्री बना सकते हैं. प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल 4000, बीज कैपिटल 1000, टू एज कैपिटल 5000. दिस सिंगल एंट्री फॉर दीज टू कैन बी, ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं इसको, प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल टू एज कैपिटल, प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल डेबिट, प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल डेबिट, बीज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू एज कैपिटल अकाउंट. दिस इज 4000, 1000 एंड 5000. सेम देखो, प्रीमियम में आगे 4000, बी डेबिट हो गया 1000, ए को यहां क्रेडिट कर रहे हैं 4000 से और यहां क्रेडिट कर रहे हैं 1000, टोटल 5000. बट इट इज एडवाइजेबल टू पास द सेपरेट एंट्रीज. सो फर्स्ट जितना प्रीमियम लाया वो हमने ए को दे दिया और फिर बी विल कंपनसेट. Now 7-8 cases are over, and if there is any doubt regarding any case, you can comment and ask your problems. Thank you.